Liquid Crypto Exchange Review, My Usage Experience. In this video, I'll share my experience with Liquid, one of the well-known crypto exchanges catering to traders of all levels. Liquid stands out for its user-friendly interface, making it accessible for beginners, while its advanced trading tools are ideal for seasoned investors. The platform offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a variety of altcoins, ensuring versatility for diverse investment strategies. One of its standout features is its deep liquidity, enabling seamless trading even during volatile market conditions, which is a critical factor for both day traders and long-term investors. Additionally, Liquid provides competitive fees with a tiered fee structure that rewards higher trading volumes and supports fiat deposits and withdrawals, adding to its convenience. Security is a significant focus for Liquid, with measures like cold storage for funds, two-factor authentication, and a dedicated insurance fund protecting against potential breaches. The platform also includes a lending feature, allowing users to earn interest on their holdings, which is an excellent passive income opportunity. Another advantage is Liquid's compliance with regulatory standards, giving users peace of mind regarding the platform's legitimacy. For mobile users, the Liquid app offers a seamless trading experience with real-time charts, market data, and easy order placement, ensuring you can stay updated and make trades on the go. The platform's customer support is responsive, available 24/7 via live chat and email, which is essential for resolving issues promptly. However, it's worth noting that while Liquid has a lot to offer, the platform might not be ideal for users who seek extremely high leverage or access to highly speculative altcoins. Overall, Liquid is an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable, secure, and feature-rich exchange with an emphasis on liquidity and user experience. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Liquid's combination of tools, security, and convenience makes it a compelling option for your crypto trading journey. If you've used Liquid or are considering trying it out, let me know your thoughts in the comments.